Congratulations guys, you got Jetson Haze. Now you want to know how to turn it on. This is a power button, but it will not work unless you turn on the battery on. The battery turn on, you can do it without even removing the battery from this bike frame. Over here underneath here, you have to press it to turn it on, okay? Like this. So it should be to the small minus sign. This means it's on. Once you turn it on, you can press power button and you'll see light on. If you don't see the light on, it means this power button is off, or you might have some other issues with your bike. Other than that, you're ready to ride. If your throttle does not work, make sure your braking, like on the brake over here, it's not damaged, because this is a power cutoff, and if it's damaged, your throttle will not work. Also, the throttle might not work when too tight brakes over here. This knob is too tight, and you'll see the light will blink. Okay, if you don't touching the handlebar or anything and the light is still blinking, so it means you tighten the brakes very strong, and your throttle will not work either, so the bike will not really ride. And that's all for today. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Check the description for full video how to use Jetson Bolt Pro and Jetson Haze.